Well, here at the Stennis Space Center, it was cloudy, and right about the time we reached 82% totality, the skies opened up and nothing but rain came down. Even with not perfect weather here on the coast, there was a lot of scientific observation that happened leading up to the eclipse, and much more work will be done in the days to come, not only from NASA scientists at Stennis and elsewhere, but from citizen scientists too.
From NASA, we have sounding rockets that are going to look at the ionosphere, which is the charged layer around the Earth, which is affected by the sun. So, and they are going to measure temperature and density and also conductivity.
The citizen scientists used ham radios all over the country to determine how radio waves are affected by an eclipse. The only time that kind of data can be analyzed is during a solar eclipse. Many people also used an app today called SunSketcher. The app allowed people to upload their photographs from today's great North American eclipse to a database that allows scientists to analyze and map the sun. This is the year of heliophysics. Heliophysics is the science not only of the sun, but the impact that it has on Earth and the rest of our solar system. Back in 2018, the Parker Solar Probe was launched, and it'll make its closest pass by the sun this year. Camille Shaw of NASA Stennis explained to me what happens next.
Today is a very special day, of course, and we're able to see science up close, right? We're able to see this very unique phenomenon happen. But we're always collecting data all the time with all the missions. Parker Solar Probe, which does say the sun is going to make its closest approach in December. So really this is called kind of like the year of heliophysics, with the two eclipses, one earlier and one now, and then the Solar Parker Probe.
The 1,400-pound Parker Solar Probe is the closest human-made object to the sun. The solar shield side of the probe will reach upwards of 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit when it approaches the sun later this year. You can go to nasa.gov and find articles, video, and much more to explore well beyond this eclipse day. Reporting from the Stennis Space Center, Troy Johnson, 16 WAPT News.